Another feature of BigWarp is the ability to fine-tune transformations. The first step is to export the transformation as a displacement field, which I'll do now. Now that we have the displacement field exported, we can rerun BigWarp, initializing the transformation with the displacement field we've exported. Now that we've initialized the transformation, we can edit it using landmarks as we usually do. But one downside is that placing landmarks using a thin plate spline results in a transformation that is global, so that if we, for example, wanted to only fine-tune the region around here, it wouldn't be possible with the typical transformation. And we see that big changes are happening everywhere. Instead, we can use a masked transformation, which enables us to apply changes locally. Now we see that without applying a mask to the transformation, edits to landmarks have a global effect, whereas if we apply the mask, edits to landmarks have a local effect, and the extent of the effect is editable. Now, if we're happy with this result, we can re-export the transformation as a displacement field. This time, again, selecting flat as the type, which will concatenate the two transformations together. Now that this new transform is exported, we can import it and observe that the result is the fine-tuned transformation.